So this is how the platform works. So visit exams.educare.school on your mobile phone, on your laptop. You can simply go to login, click on sign in with your Gmail. Once you click on this, you can simply pick any of your Gmails. Once you log in, it brings you to this interface. From here, you can simply choose an exam. You want to prep for WAEC. You can pick a subject. Let's say you want to do biology. You can pick a year, let's say 2014, and you search and you can practice. So at this point, you can practice, you will start practicing, then you proceed. So here, you can answer them. You can be answering them here. The next, go to the next, go to next. You can skip questions. You can return back if you want. You can skip more questions. You can skip here. You can also do this. And you can also return back to 7 and answer it. And once you are done, both the ones that have images, you can see them. You can also flag a question if you feel something is wrong. You can flag the question. And once everything is done, you can just go to the last question, answer it, and then you see the submit button. Remember, on the last question, answer it, you see the submit button. Once you click on submit, yes, system will ask you, are you done? You said, yes, I'm done. You attempted 11 and you didn't answer 33. Once you click on yes, I'm done, the system automatically grades you. Unfortunately, I failed all. So so once you come in here, you click on view detailed analysis. At this point, the system will tell you how much time you spent and attempted, total number of the ones attempted and answered correct. You can see the chart here. You can see that the correct one, I didn't get anyone correct. So, and I attempted 75, unattempted 75%, incorrect is 25%. So here you can see the question on time chart. You can see how much time I spent per question. I spent 11.4 seconds here. I spent 1.1 second here. You can see the ones I didn't answer, they're empty. So it helps you to be able to track how much time. So for the children who are preparing for exams, it helps them to be able to work on their pacing. So they know how much time they spent in each question. So you can see the subject topic chart. If I had gotten one, you will see the ones like here. You can see that everything I failed them. You can see the way system will tell you based on these topics that are in the questions, you got so percentage right, so percentage wrong. So the topics here, you can see anatomy, hereditary and variations, and some other topics here, ecology and the rest. So if I had gotten them, you see, like you can see here now that I am very weak in all the topics. So, but if I have taken my time to answer it, you see where I'm having gaps, you see where I'm strong and everything. So it helps the children to know in this biology, this is where I'm having issues. So the system helps you to be able to show you the areas of focus. So if it's ecology that you are having gaps in, you can spend more time both on your lessons and personal study before you come and practice again. So aside from this, you can see the questions and answers. Each of the questions, you can see the correct answer with detailed explanation. So it helps for study. It helps properly for personal study. So this is very important. You can see each question and the answers with detailed explanation. So this is it. You can come back after this. You can come back. You can initiate another test if you want, or you can go to analysis, still go back to your detailed analysis, and then you can always view it. Or however, you can still go back and export your result so you can share with someone. You can always invite a friend so that they can join and also experience this with you. I hope you find this very, very useful. So this is going to be available for every different country. So any country you are in, you are preparing for WAEC, JAMB, IG, SAT, ACT, GRE, BECE, all these exams, you can access it and you can practice in this platform. Thank you and good luck.